Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today in the additional newspaper of Friday, March the 20th. I start with the binary Sudoku, so let's get started. We have a double one here and O, there and O. Here double O, here one, there and one. Double one here and O, there and O. Double one here and O, there and O. Double O here and one, and then one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one here and O, there and O. Double O here and one, there and one. Double one here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Those are ones. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then here cannot be an O, otherwise we have here 4 O's, so the rest must be on 1. 3 ones in a row is not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so this is not the last box for the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Double one here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise we have here 4 ones and the rest are O's. Then we have here 3 O's in a row, not allowed, so this cannot be in 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1, and then 3. The 3. The 1 O. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. This cannot be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, we will have 3 ones in a row. So this should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3. Between an O and a 1 is always a 1 and an O. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. This cannot be in 1. Otherwise, I will have the 5th one here. This should be no. Double O here 1 and there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. We have 4 ones here in this row, so the rest are O's. double O, here and one, there and one, double O, here and one, there and one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then three, yes. This column and this column is almost the same. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. If I place the O here, like this one, then I will have an identical column as this column. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. So finished in 6 minutes for this binary Sudoku. Alright, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file. If you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself, subscribe and ring that bell if you want to notify when I upload new puzzles. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and I see you later in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic puzzle, Sudoku puzzle. I hope I will solve this within 1 hour. Otherwise, I will drop this tectonic. It's too much to watch a whole YouTube movie more than an hour. So see you later with the tectonic puzzle. Thank you for now, and bye bye.